Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find user ID in Candy Crush Saga. To find your user ID in Candy Crush Saga, first of all, open your Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page of Candy Crush Saga, tap on the My Account button. Now, you will come across this King account interface, where you'll need to tap on the King logo at the top of the screen. Make sure to double tap on the King logo and your user ID will be displayed on the screen at the top. So that's how you can easily find your user ID in Candy Crush Saga in just a couple of steps. Your user ID is a personal identifier for your account, and that's how you easily get access to it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.